Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to change font size and font color. So, in order to do so, I have to go to the tab home, and once you go to the tab home, you have the option of changing the font and font size and font color for the whole document or part of a document. So you can select part of the document and do it, but for this demonstration now I'm going to do it for the whole document. So in order to do that, you need to select the whole document. So how do you select the whole document? You have to be on the home tab in the ribbon and then go to the option called editing, and in editing select all. So all the document has been selected, and now you can change, going to the home tab, you can change theme fonts to any theme that you like or any theme that you require to do. Okay, so let's say I'm gonna choose Georgia ProCont or Georgia. So the Georgia has been chosen for this, and it has been changed according to Georgia font. And then this is the font size. So in general it's 12 font size. So that is the default, and I'm going to choose this one. But if you want bigger font, you can. If you choose 14, it will be bigger font, but I'm going to choose 12. Okay, and then for the heading, I'm going to choose 14. Okay, so in order to do that, you need to select it first. Put your cursor here and press OK, and it's done. Okay, now I'm gonna change it to 14 because it's the heading, right? So heading should be bigger than your body text. So I have changed it successfully here, and now I'm going to select the whole document again, going to editing and select all, and then there's nothing here because there are multiple font size. The heading is 14 and the body text is just 12, so therefore that's why it's empty. It looks like empty, but its multiple options have been already selected. So now what I'm gonna do is to choose the color. Okay, so you can choose any color from here as well. In these options, any color you can choose, but these are the standard colors they are showing. But you can also choose from more color options, like these options, and it shows you the color that you are choosing. Okay, so you can choose the red direction, you can choose the blue direction. You can put your cursor here and click on here, and it shows you which color you're gonna choose. If you click OK, then the text would be changed to this color. Okay, so I'm gonna click OK, and this color I don't like actually, so I'm gonna go back to there, and then I'm gonna go to show you, like, from the more color option you can also choose the custom colors. From here you can put your cursor anywhere you want. So this is the new color that you are choosing, okay, so I might choose this color and hit OK, and this color has been chosen. Okay, however, I'm gonna select this again, going to editing and select all, and then I'm gonna select the automatic color. Okay, however, the automatic color for the whole document. However, I'm going to customize the color of the heading. Okay, so for heading, I'm going to choose this color, maybe this color. Okay, so it's not the automatic black color, but this color. So this is how you change your color. One thing I want to show you as well, which is this thing in, for example, select your heading and this option, change case. So you may want to capitalize, uppercase it, so that all characters here becomes the uppercase. Okay, select it, and you see all the letters are now capital letters. And go back again and capitalize each word. So if you capitalize each word, that means the first letter of the word becomes capital letter. Choose this one, and you see the first letter is the of the word is the capital letter, and this is the standard format for a heading, especially for the title. So I'm going to keep it this way. So this is how you choose this font theme and font size and font color, and also this one is for the case. So I hope this video is helpful for you, and if you find this helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.